Hi everyone, welcome back to Slay Secrets YouTube channel. So your girl bought another wig off of Amazon. This video is going to be another hair review. There are no sponsors for this video. This video is strictly me just sharing with you another wig that I purchased online from Amazon. That last wig was really good, so Amazon did a good job, so I'm hooked. It's official, I'm hooked. I was so surprised how good that last wig that I purchased on Amazon turned out. So I went ahead and I bought another wig. Amazon already got me spending money. So since I'm now officially a Prime member, this package came in 2 days, which was pretty good, you know. I was doing a little bit of searching on Amazon and they literally sell everything. But we're not going to talk about that. We're going to stay focused because today we are talking about a wig. I wanted to see what other wigs was out there, you know, peruse and shop around with other vendors because they have so many vendors on Amazon. I decided to search for a 360 lace wig. I came across a 360 wig that looked really good. The density is 180 apparently, and it's supposed to be in a natural black color. I have the package right here and I'm about to open this baby and we're gonna see what's in this package. You know the deal. We're not gonna waste any time. You know what you're here for, so let's open this package. You can actually tear it open this time. Comes with a little drawstring backpack. Okay, looks like I got some goodies in the bag. So these vendors from Amazon keep bearing gifts with your purchases. Your girl's about to be spending some money. Okay. The first gift that they give is a weaving cap. I won't be using this for this wig, but definitely in the future if I want to make a wig, so that's definitely a keeper. Another thing that they give in the bag is some clips, and then it also has a little band, so you can sew in additional clips into the wig and a band to help secure the wig, you know. I got stories. There's been in my life since I started wearing wigs, was not too long ago. My wig has fallen off my head about 3 times. Twice at work and once at my 21st birthday. We're gonna have to share that story another time. Definitely. Those were probably the most funniest and most embarrassing moments of my life. So thank you for the wig clips and the band. Like, look at this. So you can sew this into the wig and this around, right? For more security. Ooh. For more security. So that's what's up. Thank you. I appreciate that. Go ahead and put the gifts to the side. Oh, and it has a little thank you card. It has instructions on how to wash the wig, so that's definitely helpful. Okay, so that's all the gifts that came in the package, so let's open the hair. It's in a large Ziploc bag, so I just unsealed it. Woo. Yo, I just opened the bag and it already stinks, so that's not good. Go ahead and take the hair out. Oh my god. It has a little net, so take off the net. Oh my gosh, this hair smells so bad. Wow. So the hair, it has its little tags, and the tags has their return policy and how to contact the vendor, but okay, we're gonna go straight to smell. First, smell. This hair smells so bad. I can't explain to you the stench that is coming from this hair, but I wasn't even gonna start with smell, but we're gonna start with smell today. Coming straight out the bag, this hair stinks. Like, oh my goodness. Definitely gonna let this soak in conditioner for about a week or 2. I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag, put conditioner on it, put it in the microwave, let that bad boy cook multiple times to get the smell out, because this hair smells so nasty. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try and do this review without having a stank face, but if my face looks stank, it's because this hair stank and I can't breathe. Like, this is overpowering. Like, I definitely had to address that first. Like, this hair stink. Ooh, we got some work to do. Aside from the smell, let's talk about initial shedding. So I'm running my fingers through the hair and it feels really nice. So I'm gonna do my usual comb through. I'm gonna comb through it a couple of times. Okay, after me combing through the hair multiple times, and there is initial shedding. I got a good amount of hair. You probably can't see that, but there's a good amount of hair that fell on my legs. So this hair is a shedder. We got a shedder over here. We got a stinker and we got a shedder, okay? That last wig that I reviewed on Amazon set the bar, and now this wig is just bringing it back down. Anyways, we are still going to give this wig a chance. So the next question is the wig true to length? And I came prepared. Oh yeah, right, we about to find out. So this wig is supposed to be 20 inches. I'm going to set it to 21 on my measuring tape. So I'm gonna hold the wig up by the middle point-ish, and I'm gonna line it up to see where it stands. Okay, so it's about 20 inches long. So this is where the 20 mark is. So, and then there's hair a little bit past this. On Amazon, it says that the curl pattern is water wave. This is about water wave, and it's very soft. So kudos to this hair for the texture. It is soft and it's not tangly at all. It just sheds. The next point is volume. The hair is definitely thick. The density does look about 180. So it's a good amount of hair. It looks like all the tracks are covered, but I'll definitely try on this wig to confirm if you see any tracks when you wear it. This hair is not all that bad. So again, this hair doesn't have any tangles, so that's good. Every time I comb my finger through it, it doesn't get caught in the hair. It's just shedding. The more I comb through the hair, the more hair is on my leg. So it doesn't tangle, but it definitely sheds. Okay, so the hair ends. These ends look so dry, like, but these hair ends do not look good. Look at this. This does not look good. Like, I'm probably gonna cut all of this because this is like frizzy. No. No, no, this is all gonna go. All of this, and you see there's hair. You see this hair coming out? This is crazy. All this hair. Wow. As I mentioned before, I ordered a 360 wig, and this is a lace 360 wig. Lace all around. This is the front of the lace, and then flipping it upside down to show you the back of the lace. It's pretty solid. And it looks like they have a little slot for you to cut your ear out over here, which is great. And the same thing on the other side. There are a few baby hairs, it's not a lot. So you'll have to make your own baby hair. So the hairline does look pre-plucked. I'm gonna try it on for you guys so that you can see how it looks. It is pre-plucked hairline. I probably will definitely pluck it more to make it appear more natural. When I try it on, I'll be able to give you guys more details and actually show you how the hairline looks, because it's kind of hard to see. But I will say you may have to bleach and tint the lace. I think they tried to make it to where you don't have to, but this color is not a natural color. So definitely gonna have to bleach and tint the lace. It's not bad. So I'm going to flip the wig inside out so you can see the inside structure of the wig. So this is the front lace area. So it has 3 clips, left, right, and the front, middle. And on the back side, it has 1 clip, but it has the drawstrings, 1 drawstring here, 1 drawstring here. I like the clips, and they give you additional clips to ensure security for this wig. Definitely want to secure the wig. I need to be better at securing my wigs and taking this seriously, because I cannot have my wig falling off at work no more. Not again. No ma'am. As of right now, there's some pros and some cons about this wig, but the deciding factor will definitely be after I try it on to see how it really is. So you already know, it's the moment of truth. Moment of truth. Okay everyone, I'm back and I have the wig on. So first impressions, looking at the wig, I like how it looks. It's cute. Look at this. Look at this hair. Isn't it cute? It's kind of like the other wig. You know, listen, you're gonna see that I love curls, so I am biased. If it has curls, waves, any of that, I'm buying it. It's coming home. It's coming home with me. Okay? I love my curls. I love my waves. But so the difference between this wig and last wig is that this wig appears to fit my head. So once I cut off the lace, we will definitely see if it truly fits my head. But right now, it appears to fit my head. And I have a big head. We already know this. This is established. There's no secrets over here. My head is big. So yeah, I like this wig. It's very similar to the last wig. The only difference is that this is shorter and it's a 360 lace and it's human hair this time. So I like it. It's cute. I like this wig. I think it suits me. Definitely we need to get the smell out this hair. I think honestly that's the only, like, the shedding is okay, you know. Hair sheds, wig weave sheds, you know, although we prefer it not to shed. This one is a shedder. That's alright though, that's okay. This ear side is okay, but this ear side is a little off, as you can see. I don't know what that's about, so this wig might be a little mismade, but I highly doubt that I will be, you know, putting it up in one. But the other thing, all the tracks are covered. This is the few baby hairs that it has. So this is the hairline. It's not bad. Not too much manipulation that will need to be done. I mean, you might be able to get away with not bleaching the lace and tinting it, but I think I'm still gonna do that anyway. And I'm gonna turn around and show you the back. Pull this up a little bit. So I went ahead and I pulled the lace off my head, but this is how the back of the lace looks. It's not plucked at all. Now going back to the front of the wig. So I went ahead and made a part through the hair. So this is how deep the part is. There's a track right here. So there's literally where the parting stops. So that's about 3 inches or so. I did measure the parting space and it is 4 inches deep. Now measuring ear to ear and it is about 13 inches. And finally double checking if it's true to length, and yes, it's about 20 inches long. So I'm gonna do my little usual, because I like to flip my hair. After all that hair flipping yet again, there's no tangles, but they're shedding. Can you see this? Plenty of shedding. But honestly, by how this hair is shedding so easily, I don't expect it to last past 3 months. Like, I'd be honestly surprised if after 2-month mark, after combing it, after shedding, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if this hair is thin, honestly. I'd be really surprised if it actually remained at a decent density where it's not looking thinned out. I might have a trail of hair coming from this wig every time I wear it. I swear, people gonna know where I went because they're just gonna see all this hair just floating in the air, just coming from it. No, I'm just playing. So a few things about this hair is that it's 100% human hair, lace 360 front wig, baby hair around the head. Other than the 3-4 clumps of baby hair that I discovered, you're definitely gonna have to make more baby hair, because I didn't find any more baby hair than the couple that was here, the one that was right here, and the one that was on this side. So not very much baby hair. They give you a natural hairline. I will say that the hairline is plucked, but definitely I will be plucking it a little bit more. The other thing it says is that the cap size is 22.5, so it's the average default medium cap size. I'm surprised that it fit my head, honestly. The lace is supposed to be medium Swiss brown, So I will say the lace is soft. It doesn't feel like it's gonna snag any edges. It is brown, but it could be, honestly, I feel like we can make this a little bit more brown so that it looks more natural. So definitely what I said earlier, I'm going to bleach the knots and tint the lace. So this hair is supposed to be 100% human hair, and it says it's not mixed, so that's good. So, and also it says you can color the hair. We'll definitely test that out. I might color the ends, that's it. I won't color the whole thing, but I might color the ends like a light brown. I think that would be cute. I will definitely update you guys on if you can blow dry, if you can straighten, and if you can color this hair like they advertise. So overall, I will give this hair a 7 out of 10. So losing 3 points because A, it stinks, B, it sheds, and C, the ends were horrid. Horrid. You hear me? Horrid. And I like how it looks. I do like how it looks. Regardless if the ear is out of place, it doesn't sit right on my head. I think this wig might be mismade. The measurements may be a little bit off. I don't know, but it doesn't sit right on my head because of the little ear pieces. I don't know. 2 of the 3 problems can be fixed, but the hair is here and I like it enough to wear it. I'm not going to return it. I do like the appearance, even though it sheds and it smells and all the other nonsense, but you know, honestly, most of those things can be fixed, and I'm going to solve problem A, the smell, by doing a serious deep condition on this wig. I just might do a video on how to get the smell from out of this wig, so I'm on it. Problem number 2, the shedding, I can't fix, but I could probably figure out ways to better maintain this hair knowing that it sheds. So I'm definitely going to take care of it more cautiously and differently compared to the other wigs. I might comb it less, or you know, definitely gonna take the wig off daily. I'm not gonna keep it on my head, or better yet, I might just braid it. I'm not sure, you know, this is new and I have a lot of fresh ideas on how I'm gonna help maintain this wig now that I know that it sheds like crazy. But that's okay, I know what I have to do in order to maintain this wig. And then problem number 3 is the ends. I can cut the ends, so yeah, I'll lose my 20 inches, but you know what, I think it's still a good length. It'll just be poofy and short, but that's okay. You know, I like big hair, whatever. Thank you guys for watching my video review. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below in the comments. You know, I'm always willing to share the tea. There's enough tea for everyone. Endless tea. So definitely stay subscribed to Slay Secrets YouTube channel so that you can see more hair reviews on random wigs that I find on Amazon. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.